Welcome to VIP Auto TV. Welcome to VIP Auto TV, the channel where we dive deep into the world of unique, fascinating, and inspiring vehicles from around the globe. Whether you're a gearhead, an adventurer, or someone who simply appreciates the beauty of engineering, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we're about to embark on an incredible journey through some of the most extraordinary machines ever created. Today's feature: the Kenworth Motor Home. Today, we're exploring a vehicle that combines rugged durability, timeless design, and the ultimate in luxury travel. The Kenworth Motor Home. This is not just a motorhome. It's a masterpiece built on the foundation of a heavy-duty Kenworth truck. With its unparalleled capabilities and eye-catching presence, the Kenworth Motor Home stands out as a one-of-a-kind home on wheels. The Legacy of Kenworth. Kenworth is a brand long synonymous with reliability and performance. Known for their powerful semi-trucks, they've been a staple in the trucking industry for decades. But what happens when you take that robust engineering and transform it into a luxury motorhome? You get a vehicle that's ready for both adventure and comfort, no matter where the road takes you. Commanding presence and exterior features. The first thing you'll notice about the Kenworth Motor Home is its sheer size and presence. This is not your average RV. It's built on a heavy-duty chassis designed to handle long hauls and tough terrain. Some key exterior features include sleek custom paint jobs, massive storage compartments, cutting-edge lighting systems. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at a campsite, this motorhome is designed to make a statement. The power behind the beast. At the heart of the Kenworth Motor Home lies an incredibly powerful engine. Most models are equipped with a high-performance diesel engine such as Cummins X15, PACCAR MX13. These engines deliver exceptional efficiency and power, providing enough torque to handle steep inclines, heavy loads, and long-distance travel. With this kind of performance, you can even tow extra equipment like ATVs or a boat without breaking a sweat. A luxury home on wheels. Step inside, and you'll see what truly sets the Kenworth Motor Home apart. The interior is a blend of functionality and luxury, offering premium materials and modern technology. Depending on customization, you might find high-quality leather seating, hardwood floors, state-of-the-art appliances, living area. The spacious living area often features a large, comfortable sofa, dining table, plenty of windows for natural light. Kitchen. A fully equipped kitchen includes refrigerator, microwave, stove, dishwasher, bedroom and bathroom. The bedroom is another highlight, designed for maximum comfort with a king or queen-sized bed, ample closet space, flat-screen TV. The bathroom rivals those found in high-end apartments, featuring a full shower, premium fixtures, plenty of storage, cutting-edge technology, and off-grid capabilities. One of the most impressive aspects of the Kenworth Motor Home is its advanced technology. Many models come with smart home integration, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, entertainment systems with a simple touch of a button or even voice commands. For off-grid adventurers, solar panels and advanced battery systems provide the capability to live off the grid for extended periods. Built for adventure. If you love off-road exploration, the Kenworth Motor Home is equipped to handle it all. Thanks to its heavy-duty suspension, powerful drivetrain, you can take it to remote locations that most RVs wouldn't dare to go. Whether it's national parks, deserts, or mountain trails, this motorhome is built to get you there in style. A lifestyle of freedom and luxury. The Kenworth Motor Home isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle. It's for those who value freedom, adventure, and luxury. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views, traveling at your own pace, and never having to compromise on comfort or convenience. What do you think? So, what do you think about the Kenworth Motor Home? Is this your dream vehicle? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to VIP Auto TV for more deep dives into the world's most incredible machines. See you in the next video.